Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you guys how to bleed the cooling system on a Dodge Charger, Dodge Magnum Chrysler 300, guys. If you have one of those, we're demonstrating on the 3.5 engine, but it might be the same for other ones as well. Pretty much probably the close procedure like that. So stay with us, guys. It's very important to do that. If you don't bleed it right, you're going to overheat the engine. Overheated engine, it's pretty much new engine for that. Aluminum block, aluminum engine heads. So that's really expensive stuff right there. So stay with us, guys. We're gonna show you how to do it right. Make sure it is right before we drive the car, otherwise you're risking buying a new engine, and that's quite a bit of work. That's what we put in this one, new engine here now. Okay, right here. So what you need to do now, guys, let me show you. There is a bleeder right there. So that bleeder is with a 3/8 wrench, okay, that you need to get loose, okay, and you need to loosen it up quite a bit, okay, like that. After that, you need to, let us show you our system here. Just a water bottle. We punch a hole in the cap there, okay? And we have a hose going through the cap. And we're going to install the hose on top of the bleeder now. You don't have to buy anything, you can make it at home. Pretty simple. Okay, and we're gonna leave the bottle down there. This one needs to be lower actually, okay, than the coolant. So it needs to be like that. Then you need to open the radiator cap right here. So we have a video how to drain the system, guys, as well. Okay, remove that one. Always inspect them. It's good every flush to even buy a new cap. Probably about 60 to 100,000 miles depending. And we are going to add the coolant now. It's pre-mixed out already. Everything is good. 50 water, 50. Okay, so we're gonna fill up the coolant tank here all the way up. It's important not to overfill it at the end, but we'll show you if it's too full when you're done, how to empty it, because if it's not full, you will not be able to bleed the system right. So it's gonna take some time, guys. It's gonna take you probably about 20 to 30 minutes to bleed that system the way it should be, so you don't do any damages. And when you open that bleeder there, the air will go out of it. You see coolant coming, but that will be later. So now we need to keep adding more coolant. It's gonna take quite a bit. Okay, and you can see it's dropping, which means air is coming out. It's getting in the system. That's good. But we'll need to add more now. Okay, still waiting. We're gonna add a little bit more now. It's taking it good. Some take it slower than that actually, guys. So we'll see how long it's gonna take for this one now. Okay, you can see it's still going down. So that's good. Oh, guys, you can see the coolant coming out of the bleeder already. You can see, and you'll push some air out of it as well, but we need to add a little bit more. Okay, it went down already, so check it out now. Okay, you can see the air coming out. Okay, so just like that, you see now we don't have much air. Then we'll wait, and eventually we'll get more bubbles. So that's gonna take a while. And now that way it's collecting in the bottle, so that's good. You're not spilling it everywhere. You can reuse it later. Okay, and we're just waiting to see if more air will come out. Okay, you can see moving a little bit. More air. Okay, more air traveling now. Okay guys, we're done with it for now. You can see where it's supposed to be exactly, cold fuel max right there. So we're going to close the bleeder right there. Just get it tight with a 3/8 wrench. And we're going to pull the hose. We will leak just a little bit, but not much. Okay. And we need to get this one tight. Make sure it's not leaking out of the bleeder. Sometimes they go bad. And stay with us to see what else you need to do, guys. You can see all the coolant that we got already. So that's pretty good. We didn't waste any that way. Okay guys, next what we need to do, you need to make sure you have the lever where it's supposed to. We need to go inside the car. Don't drive it now. We need to start the car. Okay, and we need to let it idle. Okay, you need to have the, okay, you can see the heater all the way on high with the fan blowing. That way the coolant will circulate through the heater core, which is behind the dashboard. And if you don't get warm air out of it after a few minutes, okay, you're doing something wrong and there is air in the system. It needs to be cool, it needs to be warm air coming out when it's all the way on hot. Let it idle for about 15 minutes. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge right there to make sure that everything is good and it's not overheating. And after that, let it cool for a couple hours, probably even overnight will be better. And check the level again, make sure the level is good, make sure it's not too low. And when you first drive it, just keep eye on the temperature gauge, make sure it doesn't overheat. That will be the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, it means a lot to us and we can help more people that way. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.